virtual reality is that you are inside a reality and it's virtual, and it's called VR. Film, design, what else you can do in VR?
Actually, I've seen a video recently where like beginner architects, like design
Architecture, design in VR. Imagine that you have to go somewhere deep into the center of Earth. It's very, very hot. And you don't want to go. What do you want to use? Metaverse.
So the name of our city is SC, short for Sustainable City. So what we use as sustainability, we use solar panels. And over here, so for example, we have a flying car that is powered by solar energy. We have roads, and we have a lot of trees and plants that create oxygen, and that is good for the city.
By using Oculus to export the models, let's see, and then what did you do inside VR? Together?
So what we did is that amazing.
And you could interact, isn't it?
Yeah.
Was it amazing?
Yeah.
Cool, fun, great.